Grandpa, do magic things really exist?
Bablu, real magic is hidden in hard work and kindness. This is a magic tree. It gives rewards to people who do good deeds.
Really, Grandpa?
You will see it yourself.
Grandma, let me help you.
Grandpa, the tree is really magical.
No, Bablu. This is the reward for your kindness.
From today, I will do good deeds every day.
My child, helping others is the greatest magic in the world.
Woof! Woo! Woof! Woof! Grandpa, let's find the puppy's owner.
All right, Bablu.
Have you seen this puppy before?
No, I haven't. You have a very kind heart.
Grandpa, I think he likes me.
Animals also understand.
Tommy! My puppy! Thank you so much, Bablu.
Good people always help others.
Tommy! My puppy! Thank you so much, Bablu.
Good people always help others.
One afternoon, Bablu and Deepak were playing football in the school playground.
Pass the ball, Deepak.
Catch it if you can.
Oh no! My school bag is missing.
What? Where did you keep it?
Near the classroom window.
Do not worry. We will find it together.